I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking frozen McCain Baby Cakes, crispy potato hash browns in the air fryer. So there's frozen mini hash browns. No need to defrost them. Air fryer will cook them straight from frozen. So all we need to do is just open a package of McCain Baby Cakes and take out the air fryer basket. And let's put the baby cakes in the air fryer. And now let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I will set the time to 15 minutes. Now halfway through the cooking time, let's take out the air fryer basket and let's just try to flip them over the best you can. So since I have a lot of them, it's kind of hard, but just do your best. It's always best to cook smaller quantities, but you can cook the whole bag like I'm doing. So it doesn't have to be perfect, but just try to move around the ones that are overlapping just so they don't. And flip them. So as you can see, I didn't do a perfect job, but it's good enough. No perfection needed when it comes to cooking things in the air fryer. Just redistribute them the best you can. And if you had, half a package, it would be easier. Then you would just flip each individual mini hash brown. And now let's return it back to the air fryer and let it finish cooking. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at these McCain Baby Cakes. They look amazing. So nicely browned and perfectly cooked. Note that this cooking time was for the whole package of McCain Baby Cakes. So if you only had a single layer of them, they would take less to cook. So probably 3 or 4 minutes less. You can always check in the middle of cooking to see if it's done and stop it. Or you can always add more time to ensure it's crispy to your liking. But this is perfect, so let's take them out of the air fryer. Perfect. Look how good they look. Amazing. Now let's try them. I'm so excited about trying them. I love crispy hash brown patties. Perfect. So good. You will love them. They're so crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. Tastes amazing. They really have this deep fried flavor without having to deep fry them. I didn't add any extra oil. Just put the package of them in the air fryer, and the air fryer makes them so crispy. So air frying is much healthier than pan frying or deep frying. No extra oil, perfect crisp. You will love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!